Hello, how is everything? What we are talking about is how to teach you how to earn free Bitcoin by using crypto tab browser lite. First of all, crypto tab browser is a platform to enable you earn good money sitting on your home. Look at it, look at the app, crypto tab browser. So all you have to do is just download the app, you sign in. This video I'll be showing you the how is it before. This video I'm showing how it looked like. Then before I go back, show you how to sign up. This is like this channel. So I'm a data. So now let me show you all you have to know. Crypto tab is a browser just like Chrome. It enables you to mine Bitcoin for 2 hours. 2 hours to activate it. That's hours. So look at how the features like. First of all, let's go back to here. New tab. Look at guys the art. Look at it. So we tap here. So we look at this video show you about the how it is, but if you're following my next video, we're showing how to sign up. How to sign up, how to start in. Because I've been using just click crypto tab dashboard. When you click crypto tab dashboard, it will take you to the mining portal where you see all the mining you've mined, the activities. So this crypto tab browser is just for you to just activate it every 2 hours. Because I'm using Lite, because crypto tab browser is divided into two. There's Lite and there's Pro. This is like the so look at all the messages. Look at the crypto tab Lite. This is for you to activate it. First here, if you want to boost, it's to boost it. To boost is this button. So I've mined on 158 BTC so far, but before this, I have withdraw 1000 BTC. That is here. Just remove 185 from 1000. Show you how much BTC I've withdrawn in here. This 1158. So now, and this 158 is approximately 0.08 USD. It's good for a start because you can earn a little money just by free. So in case you're working, it's on that platform you can use to help to gain small things, small money. But it's also good. But for a starter now, because how to start is after 2 hours you activate first activation button, then go to a puzzle. So look at the puzzle here. You have to fix it. Yep, done. After when it's done, just wait for a little time. And now go back to the mining processes where you see the mining things. Yes. So the power connection here. So just wait for a few minutes. This really don't take a lot of time. Just you can be doing this hour. Just spend like 5 minutes activate it, but I'll do the power connection. We have been having some why this thing. So after get it on back to check the connection we start with. So yeah, start got done. Yes, that is 1 hour 59 minutes. Yeah, start mining for the power because look at my speed is 1000 and it's times 1. So for you to activate it, increase your hash rate, cloud boost. Yeah, you see they say activate multiplier. Choose a cloud boost multiplier to increase your hash rate. Active multiply boost at once and benefit from the sum of your data speed. Get more Bitcoin without battery drain. Got it? Times 2 equals to 915 8 naira times 5 4,833.33 times 10. But I advise you for now just choose on mining times 1, because I advise you to, after you earn from here, before you use the money you earn to buy it. So look at, you start mining. Yes, look at it. Look at the landing lake. Look at the organize. So you see, it's just simple and short. Please, in my next video I'll be showing you how to install, to start how to set up this crypto tab lite. My next video, but please like and subscribe, please, to follow and on the notification note to follow this channel. Thanks. Let me go back here. Thanks.